in technological procedures. Pretty self-explanatory. So what are some kind of technological procedures? Examples include like baking, then brewing, তারপর yogurt and cheese making. এগুলো তো like these are not technological, but let's get to the technological part now.
Chemistry.
So তারপর হলো penicillin production. তারপর হ্যাঁ বলো।
The artificial heart like fall in this category of like biotechnology.
Artificial heart.
Yeah.
Biotechnology. I don't think it uses microorganisms.
Okay.
But yeah, you might be right because CRISPR is basically bacteria থেকে আসতেছে. So yeah, you can't honestly tell. So yeah, examples গুলো লিখে রাখো। ঠিক আছে? এইগুলা হলো very important, like the technological part. বুঝছো? When you're done, বইলো।
I'm done.
Okay, so let's start with the easy one, bread making. So bread making what happens? Bread making it. Have you ever seen the bread like when you're making bread, they're like chefs put this thing, bread fluffy here, like it rises. Huh?
Yeah, yeast. Yeah.
Exactly, yeast. So yeast is used. As you can recall, what is yeast? It's a bacteria, like a fungi. Good job, it's fungi. Yes. Yeast হলো একটা fungi. ঠিক আছে? মানে unicellular fungi. আচ্ছা. So yeast is used. So what happens is yeast will be mixed with flour to make dough, which will be kept in an anaerobic condition. So anaerobic condition can create হয় like তুমি দেখবো like always একটা foil or like a plastic cover দিয়ে cover করে রাখে like the bread when it's baking so that it can rise. So anaerobic condition কি হয়? Exactly, বুঝছো? Like anaerobic condition মানে কি যেখানে হলো air থাকবে না, oxygen থাকবে না, so that ওটা হলো anaerobically respire করতে পারে, right? Anaerobic condition at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. ঠিক আছে? So it হবে for a few hours. ঠিক আছে? So what happens now is that yeast will respire anaerobically. Benjamin, do you remember anaerobically yeast respire করলে কি কি products form হয়?
Ethanol
and
carbon dioxide,
Very good. Yay, you remember. To produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. ঠিক আছে? So now guess what causes the bread to like rise, like the dough to rise?
Fermentation.
Like now, which product of anaerobic respiration causes the bread to rise?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. Answer: carbon dioxide produced during anaerobic respiration. Rise. ঠিক আছে? So ওরা কি রেসপায়ার করতেছে? Obviously ওরা গ্লুকোজকে ব্রেক ডাউন করতেছে, right?
Yep.
So yeah. So now you can ask, যে what happens to the ethanol that is being produced? The ethanolটা কি হয়? So every bread that we eat, আমরা যে normal bread every day খাই, like why doesn't that have ethanol if ethanol is being produced during bread production? So the answer to that is, after all that, the dough is baked at 180 to 330 degrees Celsius. Mucho. Therefore, the ethanol evaporates. Mucho. So it's pretty simple. It's not too hard to remember. Mucho. এই কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড কেন? কারণ এই কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইডটা হলো এসকেপ করার চেষ্টা করবে, because it tries to escape but gets caught up in the dough, allowing it to rise. বুঝছো? Any questions so far?
No.
So it's pretty easy. এটাই, that's it. এটা হলো bread making. Bread making শেষ। আজকে একটু কি?
Recording বন্ধ করবো?
হ্যাঁ?
Recording.
Yeah, recording টা stop করে দাও।